Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize your marketing efforts? Well, you're in luck. We're excited to announce our brand new AI Marketing On Demand class, and the best part is it's absolutely free. In this free class, we will unlock the power of AI and show you how to integrate it into your network, online, and affiliate marketing strategies, even if you have no technical skills whatsoever. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to transform the way we do business. It can analyze data, predict customer behavior, and automate processes, all with incredible accuracy and efficiency. By harnessing the power of AI in your marketing campaigns, you can gain a competitive edge and achieve better results. During the free class, we will dive deep into the world of AI marketing and explore various techniques and tools that can take your marketing to new heights. We will discuss how AI can help you identify valuable insights from large sets of data, personalize your marketing messages, and optimize your advertising campaigns for maximum impact. But what makes our class unique is that we have designed it to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. You don't need to be a coding expert or have advanced knowledge of AI to benefit from this class. We will break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand terms and provide step-by-step instructions on how to implement AI strategies in your marketing efforts. No waiting required! Our on-demand class is available instantly, allowing you to learn at your own pace and revisit the materials as often as needed. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to enhance your skills or a beginner wanting to delve into the world of AI marketing, this class is for you. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock the power of AI in your marketing. Enroll in our brand new AI Marketing On Demand class today and start revolutionizing your marketing efforts. Register now and gain access to the future of marketing.